The advanced Grand Vitara with strong hybrid technology.
We move cricket so that cricket moves you. Smart logistics beyond boundaries.
So that's the CSK team. I think the first question we'd have right now is they have quite a good bunch of overseas options. Pathirana is of course someone they retained. But Noor Ahmed bhi hai, Ashwin to hai hi wahan pe, he's joined now, and Jadeja. How much spin can you play? If you have to pick the ideal overseas combination or what that could look like for CSK, what would it be? Akash?
So Devon Conway, Rachin Ravindra, I think they'll think about him and not finalize as quickly as we think he should be picked. He may not be. Pathirana is an obvious choice. He is playing. And I feel when they're playing at Chennai, they'll be very tempted to play Noor Ahmed and then go with Sam Curran. Because Sam Curran, they've got Jamie Overton as well, by the way, who can bat and bowl. They love people who bat and bowl.
Right.
But Sam Curran, once again, didn't find love anywhere else, has taken a pay cut that nobody likes to take from 18 crore to 2 crore. But he's gone to a place where he's likely to succeed. So expect, again, that's the other possibility. Once you see a squad like that, and your overseas contingent, and Ravindra Jadeja and Ravichandran Ashwin, you almost think that it's going to be a slowish kind of surface. Don't expect this to be a 9.5 runs per over kind of surface to be prepared, because this team, and again, look at the Indian batters who they've picked, from Vijay Shankar to Deepak Hooda, Tripathi, Ruturaj Gaikwad. इसमें से कोई ऐसा इन्होंने नहीं सोचा कि इनके पास समीर रिजवी भी हुआ करते थे. इन्होंने कहा नहीं, छक्के वक्के वाला नहीं चाहिए जो गेम को थोड़ा सा डीप लेकर जाए. डेवन कॉनवे इज देयर ओवरसीज प्लेयर. तो ये उस तरीके की शॉपिंग की है कि लग रहा है कि भैया.
So Conway, Curran, Pathirana, Noor Ahmed for you, and the rest will play reserve roles. They're also very sharp that way. हम सबको लगा कि last year also they'll only have turners at Chepauk. जिस दिन Rashid Khan and Gujarat Titans आ गए, it was an absolute flat deck. So I know that they play very smartly with pitches. Bhaji's of course played for them. Bhaji, thoughts? Conway ahead of Rachin, because Rachin has just been named player of the tournament. He's improving as an international player, वगैरह वगैरह.
You know,
New
they
Zealand
might
play him.
In my view, they might play Rachin Ravindra ahead of him, क्योंकि ये शायद वहाँ पे गेंदबाजी भी कर जाएं, और वहाँ सैम करन को अगर नहीं खिलाएं तो शायद वहाँ जो हम देखते हैं ना एलिस, वो खेलते हुए नजर आए. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो एक शायद चेंज हो सकती है, और क्योंकि रचिन की फॉर्म बड़ी अच्छी है एंड ही डिड वेल फॉर देम, ही प्ले स्पिन वेल, तो वो भी एक चांस हो सकता है कि रचिन ऊपर खेले और एलिस थोड़ी सी पेस और वो गति में परिवर्तन उनके पास है, तो वो
looks like the kind of bowler for Chepauk.
तो मुझे लगता है कि शायद वो भी एक ऑप्शन हो सकता है. बट इफ यू सी ओवरऑल दे हैव पिक्ड अ वेरी गुड टीम, वेरी वेरी गुड टीम. दे ऑलवेज नो कि व्हाट दे वांट, एंड इवन इन द ऑक्शन व्हेन दे आर सिटिंग, they are sitting quiet, you know, if they want to take ये ले लो, वो उसके लिए उठेंगे जिसको उन्होंने लेना है. That's it. नहीं तो फिर वो बोली नहीं लगाएंगे.
There's a calmness to even CSK on the auction table. I remember Stephen Fleming ने जैसे नूर अहमद का जब वो RTM bid right to match हुआ था, and then how much?
10 crore.
And then everybody just went away. They were
disappointed when they couldn't get Deepak Chahar though. There was genuine disappointment कि यार ये गलत हो गया. पर इनकी actually auction को अगर समझना हो ना, इट इज नॉट योर टिपिकल ऑक्शन. इफ यू वर टू एनालाइज कि ऑक्शन कैसी की है इन्होंने, तो वैसे अगर आप सोचते हैं अच्छा T20 के फिनिशर्स कितने हैं, अरे इन्होंने तो इस बार कोई नहीं खरीदा. अच्छा डेथ के बॉलर्स कितने इन्होंने खरीदे हैं, पथिराना था पर इसके साथ एक एलईसी लिया है सिर्फ. तो यू हैव टू अगेन थिंक कि यार चेन्नई को क्या चाहिए होगा. सो यू हैव टू थिंक लाइक चेन्नई टू अंडरस्टैंड चेन्नई. It is not your typical T20 team. It is a very different team, run differently, plays very differently. और इस वजह से अच्छी टीम है, क्योंकि जो चाहिए था ना उनको, जो भज्जी कह रहे थे, वो सब उनको मिला है. सिर्फ एक नहीं मिला उनको, वो है दीपक चाहर. उसके अलावा they got everyone who they wanted.
The advanced Grand Vitara with strong hybrid technology.
We move cricket so that cricket moves you. Smart logistics beyond boundaries.